Our UAE flag is a guiding light, leading us to a brighter future, rooted in unity and strength. Black, strength and power, representing our determination and unity that will take us to greater heights. Green, prosperity and growth, reminding us of the opportunities that lie ahead, nurturing dreams and ambitions. White, peace and tolerance, symbolizing peaceful coexistence and embracing diversity as one nation. Red, bravery and courage, inspiring us to face the future with valor and honor, the sacrifices of those who've paved the way. These colors blend together, uniting us in a shared vision for a better tomorrow. Let's celebrate the UAE flag as a symbol of our future and unity.